So in the UK, guys, we love tar. We love tar everywhere, don't we? These bloody black spots, look, they're the worst here. Get some of this, so Mile Deep Resolve, number 2. Right. Any of these products I'm showing you in these Mile Deep videos, by the way, you can get yourself 15% off using MD. VWM15 is going to get you 15% off, right? Which is what we want. Like, things cheaper than normal.
Thank you.
And you only have to squirt it around the wheel arches, because that's where it is, though. And you see it already start to run. Good stuff, this, by the way. Let me put it the right way. Resolve, Mile Deep. There's the local British company, and there's the website. Look, oh, and if you like again, I say if you use the code MDVWM15, you can have 15% off. So I'm going to go around and do all my tar spots. As you can see, they're running already, and then I'll bring you back, guys. Yeah, look, once it's been on for a couple of minutes, it's all just rubbed off. Look, literally. Nice microfiber, and the tar, you know more. And the best bit about it is it leaves trails where it is, so you don't even have to look hard. Look. And I'm not pressing hard, it's just rubbing off. All these bits here, it shows it up really well. But all I'm doing, guys, off she comes, and you don't really realise just how filthy or how much tar and crap is on your car until you highlight it. Look at that big one there. So I'm going to finish off the car now with my cloth, and then we can do snow foaming. So I'm still prepping, guys, still prepping. Boom.